I'm Shivali. I'm the co-founder of this company called Global Edge. We have a rich experience of 11 years in the field of overseas education, and we are sending students to more than 21 countries, including UK, Europe, Canada, Australia, Ireland, USA, New Zealand, and many more, even Singapore, Dubai. And my team has counseled more than 57,000 students as of date, and we are yet just going on and on. So we are happy to welcome you in our family. Now I'm going to talk of the part-time work. You can work 20 hours per week during holidays for both UG, PG students. Now you don't need any permission from any government or anything. Other countries, they ask you to take a permission, but in UK, no. If you are on a tier 4 visa, you can start working, and you can take up internship, placements, everything, if you are a student there. The minimum wage right now is 7.2 pounds per hour. It can be for any menial job also. So I'm just taking it into consideration so that you guys know that if you are going there and if you start working, so even if you earn $8 per hour, how much you will earn per month, even if you're doing any basic work, it should be around 450 pounds per month. So that's kind of enough to meet your living expenses. Okay, but please don't stress on this and stay and think that you will be earning, because the course sometimes is so tedious, and sometimes you don't have the time, and the you cannot, because there are many talks happening, there are many other things happening on campus, and you just feel like not wasting your time in the work. Getting a job is not difficult. The universities really help. They have notice boards. Their local newspapers have a lot of jobs for international students, because they know there are a lot of international students, so they are coming up with a lot of things that they can do. There is a placement office in the university campus. You can always go update your resume with them, check on the positions that have come to them. And there are have their own job shops, like you can go and shop for a job. A lot of companies have posted their requirements there. In holiday especially, there are a lot of job vacancies, so there is a bulletin which is always full of job vacancies. Now you have to keep on reading it, getting yourself updated, posting your resumes, going for interviews, pushing things forward. Okay, getting a good job, you have to move forward. It will just not come sitting in your room. Okay, so anywhere in the world, please be careful on this, that jobs are there, but you have to go towards it. Okay, and it will lead you to a better job. So maybe you start with A, then it goes to B, C, D. Don't think that I will not do this, I just want to do that. You have to have your own transitions in life. There are some things that you're not allowed to do. You cannot start your own business. You cannot be a professional sports person when you are a student, or a professional entertainer, and any full-time job you just cannot take. So these are the rules set up by the visa embassy. And the money that you will be earning, okay, like the one I mentioned, you cannot show that as a part of your visa application. So don't tell the visa officer, I'm going to do part-time job and I'm going to earn some money and I don't need to have my living expenses with me. Please don't consider it. Okay, it's all they tell you that you can earn, but that is not anything a guarantee. Post-study, they have a 2-year stay back option. It's a great rule. You should take benefit of it. And some people are saying that this is going to become a 4-year stay back option. Some people are saying it can change any which ways, but right now it is 2 years. All the students who are going to be going, the rule is when you leave the country, what is the rule? You're entitled for that rule. So right now or next year, whenever you guys go, the rule is a 2-year stay back policy.
So my company's name is Global Edge, and you can get in touch with us for our services. We counsel students from more than 21 countries, and we help the students in shortlisting of courses, universities, countries, applications, admissions, scholarships, LOR, SOP assistance, and visa file preparation. Our head office is in Green Park, New Delhi, and you can connect with us, and my team of expert counselors will be very happy to help you out. We counsel students for countries like UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Europe, Ireland, and plenty more.